What's up guys? If you're looking for a affordable wireless mouse, then you may want to consider the Alkatroz Stealth Air 3. It has a 1600 CPI HD, silent switches, and having an ultra low battery consumption. If you do not know, Alkatroz is a Singapore brand. You can select 3 colors, which is red, blue, and gray. You may want to consider the size of their mouse. Here I'm using the standard medium size mouse. It supports Windows and Mac OS as well. Alright, so let's take a look inside. Okay, so what we have here, like other mouse, it has a AA battery. So we have here the mouse, it's the color red, and the third one is I think the warranty card. Yeah, like warranty card. Okay, so the size of my mouse is the medium size. You can see the dimension. If you have bigger hands, standard is quite fine. The material is plastic, slimless and sleek plastic joints and finishing. So this is your USB. It is a plug and play, so you do not need to set up any configuration or software. Okay, so let's try our mouse. Let's put our AA battery. It's blinking already, so it's turned on. Let's just close that. Okay, so let's try our Alkatroz Stealth Air 3. The most silent air mouse. So if you're working overnight, you don't want to wake anybody, right? It also has a smart standby mode. It hibernates, so it means that it doesn't consume any battery if it's not on use. And also the mouse has a 10-meter range. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. This is the review of the Stealth Air 3 Alkatroz.